So with addresses, phone numbers, and emails, the challenge we had previously was, which one do you use? So whenever you're doing like automations and stuff, the thing that we've changed here is that you can have as many different addresses as you want over here. There's this little menu thing that allows you to pick which address you want displayed in your main screen. But you can have additional ones that you can pick and choose from. Same type of thing for phone numbers. So if there's another phone number, I can label it, mobile, whatever, 555-1212, whatever. I want to, this is a do not call list, but I at least want to have it. I could choose that. I could put any kind of notes on this to designate some special information there about it. But what that does then is that gives me multiple phones that I can choose. Now, if I say, well, I really do want to use that phone number from this point forward, anytime I'm dealing with Joseph in some kind of automation way, that's the main number I want to always use. So we're always kind of displaying the main number, but you can get to the other numbers very easily. So if you come over here, and even for Joseph now, if I go to Joseph Berg, and I've got phone numbers here, maybe I want to dial a phone, send an SMS, whatever. It's going to use that default one. The default one, this is my number, that's in the list, but you could use a different one if you needed to, or